The CEO Factory by Sudhir Sitapati. For 6 decades, Hindustan Unilever has remained among India's top 5 most valuable companies. No other corporation in the world has done so well for so long. Its brands sit in the most Indian homes. 9 out of 10 Indians use an HUL product every month. Its financial indicators are among the best in Dalal Street, and it is famously a factory for CEOs. For the first time comes a book that decodes how this great business works from a director of the company who has spent his whole career there. Why are there so many CEOs across industries in India who are ex Unilever people? What is the company's secret management training sauce? Why is marketing at the heart of every business? Why is it easier to create a new market than to grab a slice of an existing one? How is it actually smarter to stock your product in smaller quantities in a store than to aggressively push orders? And why you should never ever believe that pricing down your product will get you more customers. Sharp, insightful, and entertaining, the CEO Factory is an MBA course in a single book.